Alright, YouTube. I got this motorcycle. It's a Yamaha YZF 600. And my problem is, can't get it to stay running. I get it running for a little bit, then it'll cut right back off 3 seconds. Got choke on. I'm gonna turn it over, see that sound. That's all I get out of it. So nope, I can't even get it to start. Well, it was starting, but alright. So I had one of my buddies look at it and said it was the carb. So I'm finna clean out the carbs and see how this thing go. Let's see how it go. Clean out the carbs. Gotta take this bad boy right here off. Again, I already took it off one time. Changed the fuel filter. Cleaned out the fuel tank. Changed the spark plugs. Now, let's try to do the carbs. And give me 1 minute. Move it over to some shade because I'm working outside. And I'll be right back.